Alright guys, so this is the LG 413 something like that mechanical keyboard. I picked it up earlier today for like what, $64. I've already played it for a little bit, so here's my opinion on it. Don't really like it that much. It's not worth your money. Just get about the same price as GK61 or something like that. If you just get brown switch on GK61, trust me, GK61 10 times better than this. Do not buy this keyboard if you want something that is smaller, more compact, and works better. Because if you're just trying to get something real quick, though, it comes with like the LG like switches, but like there is no like actual switch in it, in my opinion. What that looks like to me. So yeah.